Alright, yo, what's going on everybody? It's Smitty back with another Minecraft tutorial video. And in today's video, guys, we have found another working method in 2021 December, how to get mods on the Xbox One and Xbox Series X. No MC Add-ons Manager, no expansion for Explorer. We have got a new application that works. I want to thank GamerBoy2785 who left a comment on one of my videos that kind of steered me in the right direction to finding a new method, and I just wanted to thank him. This gameplay you're seeing right now is the Mutant Mobs mod. This is what we're going to be installing today for an example mod. I would suggest you just do the same one as me. Some people might already have this because it's very popular. This method is going to work with every mod that works currently that is compatible in Minecraft 1.18. If you're looking for a mod list, I have a video, top 5 mods. I'll link that in the description. Go ahead, check that out if you're looking for some sweet mods that currently work. If you have any issues throughout this entire video, just let me know in the comments down below. I respond to absolutely every comment that YouTube notifies me about. I'm going to continue uploading. I'm going to get shaders, texture packs, all those videos will be coming out throughout this week. How to get those now, updated tutorials on them. Any support through subscriptions or likes are greatly appreciated. Sorry about this long intro, I just had to tell you guys kind of get up to date what's going on, but let's get right into how to get mods on the Xbox. December 2021, here we go. So the first step that we have to do is download 2 applications. So what you want to do from your Xbox home screen is go down to where it says My Games and Apps right here. After pressing that, you want to go down to Apps, and from Apps, you want to go ahead and locate the Microsoft Store because that is where we'll be getting the first application. So find the Microsoft Store, click on it, it'll take you to this screen, and from this screen you want to click the search bar and you want to type in Internet, just like this. Now the entire application is called Internet Browser, but you probably won't have to type it all out. After typing in Internet, you'll probably see it pop up, and it's just this application right here. Go ahead, get that one installing because that is where we're going to download the mods from. Internet Browser it's called. So after downloading that application, you should then see it on your home screen, and you want to go ahead and open up Internet Browser. Now from the screen you'll be greeted with this. What you want to do is press B so you get a screen like this, then you want to press the button with 2 rectangles on it to pull up this search bar in the top right here in the URL. And from that URL we want to go ahead and type in this link exactly how I have it right here, gamer13.github.io, just like this. This is the website that we have to go to. Make sure you don't mistype anything. Anyways, feel free to pause the video to make sure you get that entered in there correctly, but once you have it in there, press the button with 3 lines on it and it will take you to this website right here. Now from this website, what you want to do is scroll down until you find the box that says MC Add-ons Manager. Once you find where it says MC Add-ons Manager, you want to go to where it says download, and all you have to do is simply click the download, and that will take you to a Microsoft Store link. And from the Microsoft Store, it'll say this weird app name right here. It's called like MCAM Pub 3, but that's just perfectly normal as this is the application that we're going to use to manage our files and manage the mods and put them in the right place. So make sure you have that downloaded. So after you've got the download started, feel free to go back into Internet Browser, and what you want to do is go to the home screen and completely quit out of Internet Browser. Completely quit it, and then go ahead and open Internet Browser back up. Right after you quit it, open it straight back up. That just basically resets it nicely because we have to enter another URL here. So once back into the internet, we will be greeted with this screen again, and what you want to do, as we did last time, is press B so you get a screen like this, then press the button with 2 rectangles on it so you get the URL. And what you want to do is now type in an MC Pedal URL. This is going to be the URL of the mod that we're going to download. If you guys want to do different mods, this is where you would type in your own modification download, but basically you want to type this in exactly how I have it. mcpedal.com/mutantcreatures, all that stuff. Make sure it's perfect. Feel free to pause the video so that you can get that typed in perfectly, but then go ahead and press the button with 3 lines on it once you are done entering those characters. After you're done with that, it will take you to the mods download page. This is on mcpedal.com. Just a side note, if you can't get your cursor to show up, press Y and then press B and then move your analog stick up and to the left, and your cursor will show up. But this is basically the website where all the information about the mod is, so feel free to read all this stuff, but what we're really looking for here is the download link. So you want to scroll all the way down to where it says downloads, and then right there you'll see one link, and you want to go ahead and press on that link with your cursor. After pressing the link, it'll take you to a page that says you're leaving MCPedal. Click the green thing right here that says click to proceed pretty much, and then you'll take you to this AdFly page. And don't click anything that shows up on this AdFly page, but what you want to do is look on the top right here, and you want to wait about 4 seconds, and then it'll say skip ad. Make sure you're all the way up, press skip ad, make sure you don't misclick. Press skip ad, then it'll take you to this page right here, and then you want to go ahead and press this get the link right here on the mid kind of section, and it will take you to your download page. So once we've gotten to the Mutant Creatures download page, very simple, go ahead and press the blue download button with your cursor, and that will then bring you with this prompt. Do you want to open or save? Now what you want to do is go ahead and you actually have to rename the file before you save it. Rename it to a .zip file. So get rid of the .mc add-on and go ahead and just replace that with a .zip. And then I also like to shorten the name down because sometimes when you're extracting stuff, shorter names is better. So I just call it Mutant Creatures .zip, just like that. So rename it to what I have it here as in the video right here. To rename it to that, .zip is the important thing. We want a zip file, not an add-on file. Once that process is complete, go ahead and press save because we want to in fact save this download. You want to wait about 5 to 10 seconds here, and a lot of people will probably get this notification pop up right here that says that, the download is complete, but that doesn't necessarily happen every time. So what you want to do is press the button with 2 rectangles on it, go to the top right here to these 3 buttons, and then go down where it says downloads, and this will take you to the downloads that you just downloaded pretty much, and you'll see the mutant creatures.zip file right there. Perfect. If it's not there, try to wait a few more seconds and then try to re-enter it, and it should be there. Next, we want to go ahead and press this button with 3 dots on it just like this. Then you want to go down to where it says save as. You want to press save as, and it will prompt you with this screen right here. What you want to do is go on the left side right here, go down 1 button, press this button, and then in this device you want to find the downloads folder. Could be on the left, could be on the right. Just go to where it says downloads and you want to press it. Then you want to make sure it says this device downloads at the top. It says mutant creatures.zip. That is perfect. Everything looks good. Go ahead and press save. And we basically just saved the mutant creature file into our Xbox downloads folder, which is perfect. It'll then kick you out normal. Go ahead and completely quit out of Internet Browser after you've done that step. So for the next step, we need to use the MCAM Pub 3 game that we downloaded. So it could be on your home screen, it could be in your games. Go check My Games and Apps, it should be there, but it looks like this. Go ahead and open that up because we now need to move this download file into the right place. Once in the game, we will be greeted with this screen right here, and all you want to do is make sure it says user MGR right here. You might have a different number than me, mine's 3, but just make sure it says user MGR. If you don't have that, press this button right here and it will automatically take you to that page. Perfect. But from the screen, what you want to do is locate the downloads folder. Click on the downloads, and then you want to go ahead and find that mutant creature zip file that we had right here. Press on it with the button with 3 lines on it and go ahead and press copy on this file because we're going to copy it into a different location. After pressing copy, go up to the top left here and press this back arrow, and then we'll be back to the user MGR screen. Now from the screen, you want to go ahead and find app data, press app data. In app data, you want to go to local. From local, you want to go over to where it says packages, and then from packages, you want to go over to where it says Microsoft.Minecraft. It's kind of hard to find. It's usually on the right side of your screen, but make sure it says Microsoft.Minecraft. You can kind of see it starting Minecraft right there, so find the file that looks like this. You want to go ahead and press that file, and then it will take you to this location right here. You want to go to where it says local state right here. Press local state. From local state, you want to go to where it says games, and then from games, you want to go to where it says com.mojang. Enter com.mojang, and finally we've reached the right destination right here. This is where we need to move the mutant creatures file to, but just wait a second before you do that. What we're looking at here is the location of all of our Minecraft data. So you can see right here it says Minecraft Worlds, but we're actually missing a couple things because we need to add some folders here. We need to add a resource pack folder, a behavior pack folder, and a skin packs folder. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. There is also a chance that you already have the behavior, resource, and skin packs folder, so if you already have those folders, don't recreate them, just skip this step and just go a little bit farther into the video when I have these folders made. But if you guys don't have those folders, I'll show you how to do that. So what you want to do is find a open space in here, and you want to go ahead and press the button with 3 lines on it. Then what you want to do is go down to where it says new, and you want to go to where it says folder. Then it'll take you to this create new folder, and all you have to do is type in resource_packs, just like this, all lowercase, exactly how I have it. And once you have that entered in, go ahead and press create. Now I'm going to show all the names of the folders that you need to make on the screen right now, so you can also pause the video if you want, but you basically need to create, I think, 3 folders it is, with these names as I'm showing on the screen right now, exactly how I have them lowercase. Make sure you pause the video so you can enter the names of these folders perfectly, so repeat the same process 3 times, and then in the finished product you will see you'll have behavior packs, Minecraft Pocket Edition, Minecraft Worlds, resource packs, and skin_packs, world templates. It should look exactly like mine. We now have all the folders in the proper place. So now we need to paste the mutant creatures mod in here. So what you want to do is find an open space, press the button with 3 lines on it, and go ahead and press paste, and that will bring in the mutant creatures zip file that we copied a long time ago from the downloads page. So here's our zip file. You want to go ahead, press on this with the button with 3 lines on it, go to where it says extract archive, and that will go ahead and bring out a folder that we need. So go ahead and find the mutant creatures folder right here. It's on the top, and you want to go ahead and enter that folder. So locate the mod folder. It'll say mutant creatures just like this. You want to press on it, and then you'll see 2 options from inside here. Now what these are the behavior pack and the resource packs that we need to move into their respective folders to make the mod work. Basically every single mod you get will have 2 of these options. They're usually marked with either a B or an R. In some packs they only have a behavior pack file, so you would only have to copy the behavior pack file into the behavior pack folder, but this one has both resource and behavior packs that we need to download, and a lot of other mods do as well. So now we need to copy and paste these add-ons into their proper folder. So go ahead, I'm going to start with the behavior pack right here, BEH. Go ahead, press on it with the line with 3 lines on it, the button with 3 lines on it. Press copy, you want to press the back button right here, and then find the behavior pack folder that we created. Go inside of it, find an open space, press the button with 3 lines, go ahead and paste it into here, and that's all you got to do with that. That's perfectly normal, make sure that's correct. Go back 1 using this button, and then you want to go back into the mutant creatures folder, and you want to go back and find the resource pack add-on. Copy that one, and then go ahead and place that into the resource packs folder. And just like that, it's very simple. You just have to put them both into their respective folders, and it will in fact work. So after you're done with that resource and resource, behavior and behavior, you can go ahead and delete the mutant creatures folder that we have right here. You no longer need that. Go ahead, delete it. You can keep the zip file for later purposes if you ever need that again, so just keep the zip file down in here if you want. You can also delete that if you want, but basically we just got the important stuff out and that's all we need. You can go ahead and close out of this application and make sure you completely close out of Minecraft because you want to start up Minecraft fresh. Make sure it's a fresh start of Minecraft. And this is the part where you start to get hyped because we are basically done. So after waiting 15 centuries for Minecraft to load up, you can simply go into one of your world settings or just create a new world as I do right here. And from this screen, you want to go down to where it says behavior packs. Now you'll see you'll have my packs and active. You want to go down to my packs, you'll see the mutant creatures mod. Go ahead, press activate on it, and it will go up into the active packs. Mods do turn off achievements, by the way. You can't really stop that. And then it'll also go to your resource pack, so you should have your mutant creature resource pack at the top. So you have both those packs activated at the top. Perfect. Go ahead, create the world, start the world, and when it loads up, you will notice that you now have that modification installed, and it will work perfectly. Minecraft 1.18, December 2021, still functioning. And yes, if you go into like creative or something, you can type in mutant, you'll get the mutant spawn eggs, and you can go ahead and spawn these mutant creatures. If you're on survival, they'll literally spawn naturally, and they just add a whole bunch of fun aspects, amazing animations, textures, and just a whole lot more fun, more difficulty to your survival world. But that is basically how you get mods on Minecraft Xbox in 2021. And one final note here, some mods require you to turn on experimental gameplay. So experimental gameplay can be turned on in the game settings of your world. So go into your world, go into the game settings, turn on experimental gameplay, because some mods won't work without it. So if your mod's not working, that's probably why. Make sure that is turned on. But anyways, I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting this video. Hopefully this helped you out. Hopefully you guys are excited to finally get mods back in Minecraft. It's been about a week since we lost our method, but we are back. Again, I have a top 5 mods in the description if you guys want to go look at some sweet mods that are currently working. Enjoy them, guys. Any problems, leave in the comments below. It's been Smitty, and until the next one, have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.